So this is the Redmi 13C, one of the best budget phones released in the year 2023. Unlike other Redmi phones, this comes loaded with a lot of great specs for a reasonable price. And like people say, specs don't tell the whole story. So stick around and find out the whole story. The first thing that caught my attention when I saw this device was the design. And honestly guys, the design of this phone is very sleek. Although I would have loved to go for the green variant, but I had to go for the black as this is the only color that has a matte finish because I'm not a friend of fingerprints. I got this pouch for my mom's Camon 19 and up to today guys, I regret why I got this pouch. Like, just take a look at these emojis. It's crazy. At the back of the phone, you get an elegant matte finish, your Redmi logo, and at the top left corner of the phone, you have this camera cutout right here, which is divided into sections and is glossy, so you need to be wiping this all the time. At the front of the phone, you get a huge 6.74-inch display and a U-notch cutout for its selfie cameras. On top of the device is where you get your 3.5mm headphone jack. At the left side of the phone is where you get your SIM port, which houses 2 nano SIMs and an extra SD card slot. At the bottom side of the phone, you get your microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a bottom-firing mono speaker. And at the right side of the phone, you get your power button and your volume rocker buttons. The power button also doubles as the fingerprint sensor, which is really quick. The display of this phone is 6.74 inches and consuming media on this phone is really enjoyable. It's nothing too special, it's a 720p IPS LCD 90Hz display and the colors coming out from this display are sharp, vibrant and contrasting. The panel brightness of this display is 450 nits and it maxes out at 600 nits, but you may struggle a bit to see outdoors when using the phone under direct sunlight. The chipset on this phone is the MediaTek Helio G85, and although it's an old chipset, it's still powerful enough to handle your day-to-day tasks, including some slight gaming at medium graphics. Apps open moderately quick and interacting with the UI is really smooth thanks to its 90Hz display. My variant here is the 4GB RAM version, and if you want more speed, I would advise you should go for the 6GB RAM variant. This phone runs on Android 13 and MIUI version 14.0. I really love MIUI skin as it's very easy to use and interacting with the UI is a fluid experience, although this phone lacks some interesting features like split screen multitasking and material UI integration, which would have made multitasking on this phone really smooth, but I think it's lacking on MIUI. And also this phone comes loaded with a lot of bloatwares and pre-installed applications, but you can always uninstall them when you don't need them. Now to the cameras of this device. This device comes with a 50 megapixel main lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 0.08 auxiliary lens. And at the front of the device, you get an 8 megapixel shooter. The pictures captured by this device are decent, with good amount of detail and excellent dynamic range, but the camera would actually struggle in low light conditions. Although where this camera shines is actually when taking photos with the 50 megapixel resolution. Photos come out really sharp and there is a lot of detail. Portrait mode here is also on point with great edge detection. There is also a 2MP macro lens for those who love taking macro shots. There are also some little camera tricks like voice shutter and palm shutter, which I find very interesting.
Cheese.
Photos taken with the 8 megapixel selfie camera are decent with good amount of detail and it has nice HDR. Although the photos does not really appear to be really sharp, but I think that's what you should expect from an 8 megapixel camera. So this is the rear facing video from the cameras of the Redmi 13C. So how is the video quality and the audio quality coming out from this smartphone? I'm currently shooting at 1080p right now, so let me know what you think about this video quality. Also, how is it handling dynamic range
from the viewfinder here. Dynamic range is looking good. This is my brother here, and those are my brothers and my sisters there. Yeah, so let me know what to think about the video quality of this camera in the comment section down below. So this is the video sample from the 8 megapixel front facing camera of the Redmi 13C. So let me know what you guys think about the video quality, and also how is the audio quality coming out from this camera. Yeah, also how is he handling dynamic range, but from the viewfinder here it's not looking too good. But let me know what you guys think about the video and the audio quality coming out from this device.
We are not snatching you.
Say hi.
Hello.
Now to the battery of this device. This device comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 10 watt fast charger in the box of the device. Although this device supports 18 watt fast charging, but Xiaomi says that you should be grateful and contented with what you get in the box. The 5000 mAh on this device is really strong and should easily get you 7 to 8 hours of screen on time if you're a heavy user. But if you're a light user, just using social media apps, you can get a full day of use with just a single charge on this device. And charging this device with the 10 watt charger takes about 3 hours to charge fully. But if you have some money, you can actually get an 18 watt charger and save like 30 minutes of charging. For this price point of 98,100 naira, you get a device with a good design, a good display, great cameras, and an excellent battery life. Would I recommend this smartphone to anybody out there? Yeah, I would definitely recommend this smartphone, but if you have enough money, you can get the 6 gig RAM variant. So that's all for this video, guys. If there's anything I didn't touch in this review, or if there's anything about this device that you want to know, ensure to leave your comments in the comment section down below, and as always I'll be there to answer you. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, ensure to smash that like button, share and subscribe to this channel, and also ring that notification bell icon so you'll be the first to know when other cool videos like this one just next. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Signing out.